Hello kids, welcome to the class. So today we are going to learn the topic laws of exponents. So first I'll take the first law which says multiplying powers with same base. So here for example I'll take one question, okay? 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 4. Now this is the question given to you and you have to find the answer. Now are you going to do 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 like 5 times first and then 4 times, then you will multiply and see the answer and then find the exponential form? No. Here there is a shortcut. This rule or this law says when you have the same base, that is 2, 2, right? The lower number is same, 2, 2. And you are supposed to do multiplication. So what you are going to do over here is you are simply going to add the powers. That is exponents. So over here you are going to do 2 raised to 5 plus 4. So 2 raised to the power 5 plus 4 will give you answer 2 raised to the power 9. So your answer will be 2 raised to the power 9. Only this much you have to do. I'll take one small question again. 4 raised to the power 3 into 4 raised to the power 4. So over here what you observe, bases are same and exponents are there and it is multiplication. So I am just going to add the exponents. 4 raised to the 3 plus 4. So 4 raised to the power, what it will become? 7. So what does this law say? The law says that when you have same base and you have to multiply, then what you are going to do is you are simply going to add the exponents. So this is what is the law telling to you. Okay, so you have to remember this law, that is a raised to m into a raised to n will give you a raised to m plus n. Now the second law. So second law is of dividing powers with same base. So what you have to do? I'll take one example. 4 raised to 7 divided by 4 raised to 3. Okay. So what is it? Here what you observe, bases are same and you are supposed to do division. So remember, with regards to division, it is exactly opposite to multiplication. So in multiplication you added the powers. Here you are going to subtract the power. Okay. So what you are going to do is 4 raised to 7 minus 3. 4 raised to 7 minus 3 gives you 4 raised to the power 4. Same thing you have to do. I'll take one question which you can try with me. 2 raised to the power 5 divided by 2 raised to the power 2. So what you observe, bases are same, exponents are different and you have to do the division. So simply subtract the exponents. 2 raised to 5 minus 2 gives me 2 raised to the power 3. So what does this law or rule says? A raised to m divided by a raised to n. That is, when bases are same and you are supposed to do division, you are simply going to subtract the exponents. So you got your answer. Now the third is taking power of the power. Means what? I'll take an example. 2 raised to 3 the whole bracket 2. What to do? Very simple. Here in this case, you see only one base is there. There is no other base and there are two exponents. So what you are going to do is you are going to simply multiply the exponents. What? So it is 3 raised to 2. Sorry. It is 2 raised to 3 the whole raised to 2. So it will be 2 raised to 3 into 2. When you do that, you will get answer as 2 raised to the power 6. One more I'll take question to understand. 3 raised to 4 the whole raised to the power 5. So it will be 3 raised to 4 into 5 gives you 3 raised to the power 20. So what does this law say? That a raised to m whole raised to n, if it is in this form, you will do a raised to m into n. Okay, so this is the third law. Now here there is a little twisting law, okay, which is similar to the first one but little slightly different. It says multiplying powers with the same exponents. Means what? I'll take one example. Let's say 3 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 3. Oh, what you observe? Bases are different but exponents are same. So what are we going to do? Nothing to worry. We are going to put the bases together and will multiply. What you will do? 3 into 2. And since exponents are same, we are going to write it only one time. Okay. So when you do this, you will get answer as 6 raised to the power 3. So it is a very simple law. Again, I will take one sum. 4 raised to the power 2 into 2 raised to the power 2. Bases are different, but it is multiplication and the exponents are same. So I'll just multiply the bases and write the exponent. So 4 2s are 8 raised to the power 2. So what does this rule says? That when you are multiplying powers with the same exponent, so a raised to m into b raised to m, then you will do a into b whole raised to m. Okay. Now the fifth law. The fifth law says dividing powers with the same exponent. Means what? Opposite of the fourth. So here you will observe that bases are different. 5 raised to 2 divided by 2 raised to 2. So what you are going to do? Your bases are different but exponents are same. So you are just going to divide. You will write in the form of a fraction. So it will be 5 divided by 2 whole raised to the power 2. You don't have to divide 5 by 2 and find the decimal and then write. You just have to write it in the fraction form and leave it. Okay. I take one more sum. 3 raised to the power 4 divided by 5 raised to the power 4. So here 3 upon 5 whole raised to the power 4. So what does this law says? That a raised to m divided by b raised to m will give me a upon b the whole raised to m. Okay. So this is the fifth one. Now here 6th and 7th is a very easy one. 6th one is very simple. So number with the exponent 0 means what? Whenever you are given any number where exponent is 0, that is like say 2 raised to 0. So always if 0 is there as an exponent, then always the answer will be 1. Be it any number in the base, doesn't matter. If 0 is there in the exponent, the answer will be 1. If it is 4 raised to 0, it will be still 1. If it is 10 raised to 0, it will be still 1. So what does this rule say? Law a raised to 0 will always be 1. Okay, so I hope you have understood. If yes, then do subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.